अपनी सक्सेस और अपनी एजुकेशन को साथ लेके चल सके.
I've observed about you, Bilal. You have this thing where you really acknowledge your privilege and you are very vocal about it also, which I think is not very common. Okay, a lot of people just think, ठीक है. Is it because of how you were raised, or you think your job also plays a very important role in this because you get to see so many realities जो शायद हम लोग इतना often interact नहीं कर पाते जिससे.
I think it's partly to do with the upbringing. So and I think the fact that one exists in Islamabad, and I mean just to look around from this studio, and having that privilege of being in a city, I think is something that really contributes and is a daily reminder that one has to do something for others, because I mean in some ways the city that I live in came to be with what many people around the country have earned. इस्लामाबाद कोई चीज़ प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता. इस्लामाबाद एक हुकूमत है, हुकूमती शहर है, तो इसलिए तमाम पाकिस्तानियों का हक है जो इस्लामाबाद जिस फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करता है. दूसरी, आई थिंक आई लुकिंग एट द डेटा, आई ऑल्सो फील हाउ स्मॉल माइनॉरिटी दैट elite in the country is. I will give you some numbers which are every day which shock me. एक आम पाकिस्तानी घराना जो है वो आज भी 100 में से 40 घराने लकड़ी जलाकर रोटी या सालन पकाते हैं. आई हैव नेवर बीन इन दैट सिचुएशन कि जिसमें आपको अपने किचन में जाके कहीं से लकड़ी ला के आग लगानी पड़े. एंड द फैक्ट कि आज जो बनाने वाली खातून है उसको उसके मुस्तकिल धुआं उसके ऊपर चढ़ रहा है, और एक पूरे दिन की एक्सरसाइज है. एक आम पाकिस्तानी घराने के 100 में से सिर्फ 10 घरानों के पास गाड़ी है. None of my relatives or none of my friends ever were in a situation जिनके पास गाड़ी नहीं थी. तो एक आम पाकिस्तानी की रियलिटी और जो हम जैसे जो लोग हैं who haven't done much to deserve all of this, it is what the country has given to us or what the circumstances have given to us. I would think that we need to be continuously thinking about how we can pay back to the society for the privileges that only this nation offers to us.
When I think about it, I feel like it's not just about being informed, but data can maybe help in making sure कि लोगों में empathy भी हो. Because when we know these things, we can be more like welcoming to other people and understanding of what other people are going through.
बिल्कुल. और I think एक philosopher हैं जिनको मैं follow करता हूँ. He's written a book on on how merit basically creates a sense of not being very human. So this whole idea कि education जो है वो आपको humility से दूर ले जाती है और आपको ये feeling कि आपकी success सिर्फ आपकी giving, आपकी अपनी effort से है. ये एक modern education की एक flaw है. तो I really feel कि जो people who are privileged in the country ought to really recognize that. I mean, it's a whole ecosystem that created them, that enables them, and it's time for them to also contribute back in whatever way they can.
Great conversation. Acha, ab we will move on to the next segment called the present. इसमें before we get